Hello everyone, it's Nicole Martel with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm sharing a layout using the June main kit. It features Pinkfresh Fresh Start collection. There's lots of beautiful pattern papers and embellishments and stickers. We have chipboards and it's just a beautiful collection. So I'm excited to play with this. Finally, this is what I made and I'm going to share how I created this. There's lots of layers and dimension on the layout. These are the papers I'm going to be using. These are so pretty. And I'm going to start by cutting this pattern paper to measure 8.5 by 11. And then the second paper I'm going to cut to measure 8 by 10.5 inches. That way when I mount the floral print to the base, it will have a nice border, the green, around the page. And I like to do that so it adds a little bit of depth and it doesn't look too flat. And so I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. I just love how pretty these papers are. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just using adhesive strips. I have a tape runner too, but I find that that's easier. Just rip it and put it on there. Okay, so isn't that pretty? I love the flowers, the big flowers. So I thought I'd go ahead and cut that paper to add a nice frame for the layout. And this is an 8.5 by 11 layout that I'm creating. I matted the photos 3x4 onto pattern paper, and then I cut another pink piece to 3x4, and I'm just going to tuck that behind it at an angle just to give it a little something. And then I'm not mounting anything down yet because I still want to get my thoughts together on what I want to do with the layout. I thought I'd go ahead and use the scrap piece of paper, and I'm going to cut these strips out, and I'm going to put them on the right side of the layout just to kind of frame that right side a little bit. And so I'm just being careful because it's just tiny pieces here. Alright, and then I'm going to cut these down and put them over there. I love that sage green, it's so pretty with the darker green. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down along the right side here, and then cut that excess off at the bottom. And then for the other piece, I'm going to cut this down slightly smaller. Let's see. And then I'm just going to put that right there. Okay, and then I'm going to hop this on here, and then I'm going to go ahead and look through my embellishments to see what I want to do here. I do want to use the coffee cup image here, and then I'm going to cut out the flower, and I'm going to use these as little die cut elements for the layout. My thought was my friend and I went to Cheesecake Factory for brunch. We do this every quarter, and we always have coffee and breakfast at just to sit there, catch up. And so the elements in this collection is perfect for this layout that I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and mount these down. And I was going to pop the center piece up with foam strips just to add dimension. You can do that, but I decided not to. And then I'm just looking for a title that I want to use for this layout. These are the chipboard titles that come with the kit. I'm going to pop this up with foam strips just to add dimension. That way it's not all flat. Okay, and then I'm going to push that down, and now I'm just trying to get my thoughts together. I love the flowers and the butterflies. They're so pretty. I'm going to be using some of these. And so I'm just moving them around to get an idea of what I want to do. I love the greenery. I'm going to put that at the top there. I know I'm going to use it because I want to put a butterfly up there as well. And I just feel like the butterfly needs something to sit on. So I'm going to grab that and put this here. And then I'm going to bend the butterfly so the wings are popped up, and use foam strips at the middle to pop that on the layout. And then I'm just moving things around to get an idea of what I want to do. I love the little rose. I think I'm going to just pop that at the top there just to add something else in there. It's so pretty. Okay, and then I'm just looking through to see what else I want to use. I love this little blue flower. I'm going to tuck that right in there at the bottom, slightly behind the title. Okay, and then these, my thought was to add some layers with the flowers here. So I'm thinking I can never have just one butterfly. I usually have 2 or 3, but I kind of want to save some of the butterflies for my last project, so I didn't add 3. I just stuck with 2. And then I'm looking to see what else I can use. I love the chipboard. They're nice. They feel nice. I was going to add it to the center of the flower, but I didn't like the way it looked. And then I just decided I didn't need to add any of it. I'm not going to use those. But I do want to use the star. I'm going to pop that here. And this circle. Focus on the good. I'm going to, what is it? I don't even remember what it says because I can't see it. But I cut that and I'm going to add it, I think, at the top. I do want to put it on here. So I'm going to pop that right there. Alright, and then I'm just looking to see what else I can use. I'm going to tuck this flower at the bottom here. And I'm going to pop that right in there. And I'm pulling up the ends, the flowers, so that they have a little bit of texture. Just bend them up a little bit, the petals. Okay, and then I thought I would go ahead and pop this daisy up with the foam strip to add dimension and another layer. And then I was excited that I had another one. I'm going to pop that on the bottom here just to add some layers on the bottom. And I like how this is coming along. And then I'm just trying to see what else I can use. I don't want to overdo it. And then I thought this is too much up there, but I'm going to put this on the side. Okay, and I'm going to just tuck that behind the photo. Very good. Okay, and then I'm just looking through real quickly. I wanted a tag, and I remembered I had one in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tag, I'm going to cut it slightly down because I don't need the whole tag. And then I'm going to use my blending brush. It already has pink on it, the excess ink, and I'm just going to rub that on the tag to turn it to pink from white, because I feel like the white would be a little stark because I had the pink, the greens, all the colors up the top. So I kind of want it to blend in with the layout. And then I'm just going to add some string in there. I always have a hard time tying the string on here. My fingers just don't seem to want to work. Alright, and then I'm going to cut the excess string down a little bit. And now I'm almost done. I'm just going to add some journaling at the bottom. And I'm just going to basically write that we met for brunch and was able to catch up. We usually do this, every couple months. But that's what I wrote down here. We found 2 moms getting together for brunch. But there's my layout. And if you like this, you can check out the other layouts I created in my playlist. And also I'll link the link for the kit for you to check out in the description. Thanks so much for watching and take care.